Yeah. Pine tree trader. Charts lit. Wrist tight. Inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. Ain't Q moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline.
What is up? Yo. What's going on, everyone? Can't see the chat. Hold on. Everyone just calm down. Let's see. What do we got? Pull the chat here. Boom, boom. There we go. Trading on tilt, Muhammad. What's going on? Happy New Year. Yeah, Sovereignty. Johan, Sparta. Lochin. It's MoPro. Trading on tilt. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I decided, I mean, market's kind of closed tonight, so we'll just do we'll do a little PowerHour stream. Keegan in the house. What's going on? All right, guys. So so far a pretty good day. So I got going. I haven't made any trades on these Apex accounts, so might look for some trades on that. Traded a little silver today, kind of got wild. Takeprofit Trader Pro account up 925. I did blow one eval and up 651 on, I mean not 651, hit 1500 on this one. This is that one that we were working on stream, and I was in on drawdown. I hit 1500 bucks on that. Trading silver, not that difficult, kind of boom or bust. Trade day up about 1,000, I think, on trade day. So good. So hopefully some good payouts coming. I'm gonna wait till the new year though, take the payouts. But yeah. Yo, Lance, what's going on, Paul? Oh yeah, I deduct everything, Smokey. I deduct everything. Deduct it all. All right, what do we got going on Nasdaq here? How many funded do I have currently? So I got one Bulenox. I got Takeprofit Trader Pro, Takeprofit Trade Day, and 4 Tradeify accounts straight to funded that I just picked up. They're 250 bucks a piece. So essentially I reinvested my daily payout today back in some Tradeifys. So currently 50% off when you use code PINE, Tradeify, straight to funded accounts, 50Ks. So 250 bucks a piece, give or take. So yeah. Keep receipts downloaded in Excel each month. I do not. I'm pretty lazy about it, Smokey. I just I use one credit card for my expenses. Yep, I use one credit card for my expenses. I don't even use the wallet money, you know, like to Takeprofit Trader wallet money to buy new accounts. I just withdraw that and then I buy new accounts with my credit card. So yeah, so Buellanox, I also was green in the Buellanox today, locked myself out. And the only funded account that I was red in was 2 Tradeify accounts. So originally I picked up 2 Tradeify accounts. I hit daily loss limit on the 2 funded Tradeifys. And then I picked up 2 more. And then I hit about, I think I made like 600 or 700 bucks on those 2 Tradeifys, but yeah. What's up, John? Oh yeah, right, Smokey. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, just oh right, nice. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt for sure. It's a pain in the butt to keep track of it all. I probably, I don't know. I'll probably do Excel spreadsheets next year or something. We'll see. Any fun plans tonight? No, I don't think so. I might go get some dinner or something, but nah, nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's guys, smash that like button. We'll do a giveaway towards the end of the stream. We'll give away a TPT account. Why not? For New Year's. Yeah, definitely much easier that way, Smokey. Yeah, actually watching like Nutty Bar and his spreadsheets and Excel spreadsheets is kind of inspiring. He's got it right locked down pretty good. You guys doing anything yeah, exactly, Tygor. I'm a futures trader. You guys doing anything fun tonight? This is fun. This is what we're doing for fun. Wow, market's pushing down here. Nasdaq pushing down. Kind of missed that inside bar there. We'll take a look at gold as well. Nasdaq getting that cabooshin'. Driving to Deerfield Beach soon? Nice. That sounds fun. Sounds warm. What do you see as spreadsheets you'd like to see? He does it on his videos that like his recap videos, I guess. I guess he did it once. Let's see if I can find it. I saw him do it. Let's see. I think this is the one, Smokey. I'll put it in the chat here. Oops, that ain't it. I think I saw that video. Looked like he was doing some spreadsheet stuff. Wow, Nasdaq pushing down here, 25,505. Yo, Cashol, what's going on? What's going on, Ethan? What's going on, everyone? Good to see you. Smash the like button. I got a 25K Take Profit Trader account I can give away tonight. What's up, SJP? Yeah, there's no stream tonight, so. Happy New Year, Adam. You do too much, yeah. For sure. What's up, Adam? Yeah, so anyways, yeah, no stream tonight. I mean, so I figured to hop on for about an hour or so. We'll do a giveaway. Maybe sling some contracts. I haven't made a trade on these Apex accounts yet. Dinu, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate that. We got 60 people watching. Let's see. All right, still pushing down here, getting a little bounce off that psych level at 25,500. Let's take a look at silver. Silver, absolutely been rug pulled. Gold pushing down as well. Take a look at YM. Not so bad moves on YM. I did not trade any YM today, though. Mostly Nasdaq, gold, and silver. Kaboosh, John says. Yeah, do you have any code for a trade copier? I do not, David Snyder, no. I probably should, because I think I'm going to try out Trade Syncer, but yeah, I don't. Thank you. Do we get that continuation down through the 25,000s, 500s? Watching gold here, watching Nasdaq. Do we make new lows here? Feels like it. How you guys doing today? You guys green, red? What's going on? Talk to me. Did you blow any accounts? You get any to pay out? Did you buy any straight to funded accounts like I did today? Yep, as Box says, I did it all. I blew 2 PAs today. Yeah, that's okay. Day 333 up. Nice. So yeah, that's my plan with the Buellnox accounts and the Tradeify accounts. Straight to funded is just I'm gonna do the base hit things, and then hopefully work on getting the payout for next year with it. I lowered my tax liability today. Yeah, Brandon. That's exactly, yeah, that's on everyone's mind. So the last trading day of the year, the first trading day of the year, those always can be tricky. Like, yeah, I've seen a lot of people blow up, like ruin their whole year on the last day. I've seen this. Of course, trading with props, I'm not gonna ruin my whole day. So, but my whole year, I mean, I could ruin my day, but not my whole year. Not uncommon. Not uncommon. The crazy thing is, like, if you in futures trading, I believe, now I'm not a tax advisor or anything like that, but I've heard in the past where people say they make, you know, a bunch of money on a personal futures account for the year, and then come, you know, then it's the end of the tax season, and then come the first of the year, they end up losing a bunch, and then they end up owing taxes on their previous year with futures. That's never a good thing. But I don't really know how that really works. So, all right, we are just making new lows here. 25,500. As soon as I hop on the market, the market just dumps. It's good. We got some movement though. So maybe we get a little reversal or something. What's up, Bella? Good to see you. Happy New Year. We are live. No stream tonight, Bella, so I figured I'd hop on, give away an account, and to the people, so they don't forget about me over the long weekend. Cold? Oh yeah, it's cold. Snowy, cold, more snow coming. Seems like it snows every day. But I went and got my passport application done today. So maybe a cruise or something in the future. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. All right, we are still just pushing down here. Power hours, pretty much sour hour. It is just absolutely dumping, selling off. People end of the year sell off, perhaps. I don't know. Hop in on the momentum, maybe. So I got these Apex accounts. I'm really trying to not pass or smash them. I got these 5 150Ks. I really would like to get these passed, and then hopefully I'm gonna pick up some more before the 90% off ends. And I really want to go into next year with copy trading a bunch of Apex accounts, and then kind of slow rolling them, the nutty bar style, and then, you know, maybe looking at a big payout come June or something in the summer. You know, okay, give me 3, 4, 5 months. This is the game plan. Now, will it work? I don't know. Oh, thank you, Chris Briggs. Appreciate that. Yeah, this was a gift, so it was a gift. Do I know when the market opens back up? Yeah, it's gonna be tomorrow night, basically. So tomorrow night at 5:45. I mean 6 o'clock Eastern time. I'll be here about 5:45 Eastern time tomorrow, but all right, looking for a reversal or something here. Maybe try to get a little scalp off it, but man, it is really pushing down. I'm not really sure what level we're headed for. There's a lot of room to the downside. You know, 400 I would say is next. 25,400. Kind of feel like I just close my eyes and push the button, but I don't know. Let's see. We'll wait. So how many of you guys were degenning on silver today? Silver is the new fun in town, I guess. I mean, it is absolutely wild. I see everyone trading it. I did trade it a little bit. I made money. Yes, it was a little risky, but it was fun. Yeah, market's selling off. They have a pivot point at 25,475 scalp ripper. Good to know. So we're right there, pretty much, at that pivot point. New hot girl in town? Yeah, I know, for sure. Made 2K on the personal and silver today. Nice. Yeah, I mean, if you catch the right move, I mean, the thing is, if I could trade micros, because right now with Apex, you can't trade micro silver. I think it's a good trade. I've been kind of doing a lot of observing on it. I see inside bars, some haramis, things like that have been working pretty well. But when you're trading the minis, it's really tough to place a stop where it needs to be on the prop accounts because it's just not big enough. If I was trying to pass or smash a eval or something, then yeah, maybe, but you know, it's still tough. No silver for you anymore. Yeah, Kristen. Yeah, I mean, that's... So I did that the other night. I had silver on and I pulled it off. I took it off my chart. But then I'm like, all right, well, everyone wants to trade it right now, so I'll put it back on my chart for the stream. It's still a little freaky to me. Like, look at that break off that inside bar. So, like, these have been working pretty good when you make the sweeps of the low or the high and then put in an inside bar or harami. They've been working pretty well. This one didn't work that well here. So, I mean, nothing works 100%, but they have been giving some pretty good entries. Yes, Willie C. Silver's the latest and greatest way to blow up your prop accounts. That is 100% the truth right there. It can be boom or bust. You go in 7 minis or whatever that's allowed with like Buell and Hawks with the silver. Yeah, you'll either you'll either pass it in about a second or blow it in about a second. So I was watching a little Nutty Bar today, and he was trading some silver. He said he was on tilt. I says, yeah, I believe it now. He's trading silver. Good guy. Good dude. Very disciplined trader, actually. So he's someone that I aspire to be. I mean, as far as his discipline with his funded accounts. I mean, this is someone that grinded his funded accounts for months and got him to pay out. Man, we didn't really put in a harami there, but getting a bounce here. So we're gonna exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll give away I got a 25k TPT credit that I can give away. I just checked my account. I do have a credit sitting there, so I can give that away to one of you. Maybe start the new year right with a new account, and hopefully you can get it to pay out and get those daily payouts. So if you guys are just tuning in, I had another good day for daily payouts. And Takeprofit trader account right here, 925 today. This account is up to 4,067. So anything over 2,000, you can take a daily payout on. And trade day, I also got another daily payout on trade day coming. So love that. Thank you, Autumn 9. Turk, hopefully you. Yeah, could be. We'll see. Good chance. I'm sure we won't have it as many viewers as we do during the nighttime stream, so it's a much better chance. So we'll do that just before the market closes. Let's look at gold here. Gold printing in the same pattern as silver. You can see right here, it almost looks identical with the inside bar. Back to gold. Like you wouldn't even know it's, besides the price, that there's a difference. Kind of crazy. Look at YM here real quick. YM maybe, interesting here. YM catching a bid. Maybe I try a YM trade. Inside bars, yeah. Yo, Chris Trades, what's going on? You own the night? Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate that. I mean, the nighttime stream's where it's at, for sure. I'm glad to see you guys tuning in tonight, today, though, or this evening. Late afternoon, I should say. Yeah, I'm not planning on doing anything too crazy tonight. I'm not gonna go out, or I'm not gonna go to the club. No clubbing for me. Well, I probably will go to dinner. Go to dinner, maybe have a mojito or a mule, a little Maine mule. Chug some cider. Yeah, maybe. I'm on the boat for the next hour and a half, and then getting on an hour flight home. Oh, wildfire splice. Yeah, it's crazy. Traveling. Yo, Jay Styles, what's going on? Yeah, we're hopping on for an hour or so. We're gonna do a giveaway for the New Year's, and maybe catch a trade if I see something I like. But pretty much everything is looking pretty good. I haven't traded these Apex accounts though, but you're staying patient. The nice thing is, so here's something that I see people doing often. And so when you have an account that doesn't have minimum trading days, you don't need to trade it every day. I know that I mostly do trade every day, but you take a Takeprofit trader account or a trade day account, as long as you get a trade in just to keep the account active every 5 days, you don't need to trade it every single day. Something like an Apex account or a Belanox account where you're going to get traded days in for a payout, then I usually will trade those every day. But yeah, I mean, I often see like people like, oh, I got a Takeprofit Trader Pro account. It's like, I got to get a trade in. I haven't got a trade in today. Well, you don't need to, because there's no minimum days to trade. You can get a payout on day one. So I often see people doing that, and I always kind of go, well, you know, like, I'm trying to change my own mindset. Like, I don't need to make a trade on that account every single day. Like, if I don't see something, I don't want to force it, you know? So that's kind of like my goal going into 2026, is just kind of slow down a bit, and keep the hamster wheel from spinning too fast, you know, because I don't want to hamster wheel account so much. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, caveman. Yeah, that happens. It's a giveaway, so nothing we can do about it. They can smash that like button though, even on your alt accounts. Thank you so much. All right, Nasdaq continuing to push down here. Waiting for a harami or an inside bar or something. Back to silver and gold. Maybe silver putting in gold putting in an inside bar. We'll see. I'll probably trade gold on these accounts instead of silver. I know you guys want to see me degen some silver, but I will trade one mini on gold. Whoops, I just traded the wrong account. I already made a mental mistake there. I just lost some money on that pro account. I wanted to take a gold short. Maybe back down to 322. We did break this trend line though. I'm gonna put away that pro account. I don't want to trade in that. I was thinking about, well, it's kind of a good thing I got out of that trade. It looks like we're popping here. It's kind of looking to backfill this down here, but we'll see. Danielle, WRN, what's going on? Gold and silver trying to push up here. Nasdaq pushing back down. How do I think MLC will trade today? I have no clue. Yeah, last day of the year. I'm not really sure how it's going to go. We'll see. I don't really have any strategies based on the MLC or anything. I know some people look for little scalping strategies, but Ricardo, thank you so much for the sub. 25 461 looking for a target. Yeah, I think it probably could go down there for sure. Silver and gold trying to pop back up. All right, Nasdaq's still trying to push down here. Yo, Stargazer, what is going on? Hello, hello. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Silver pushing up. Silver looking like it's trying to V-bottom off that inside bar. Long silver SJP, good luck. Not much. Did my second day of TPT eval. Last time did a short over 900 bucks. Oh, nice. Wish I held it though. Yeah. Thank you, Fiber Splice. Smash that subscribe. Smash the like. Appreciate it. Silver pushing up. Gold trying to push back up. Nasdaq pushing down. Not one inside bar here since I've hopped on. Well, there was, but I wasn't paying attention. Gold kind of flagging out here. Silver looking stronger. Nasdaq looking very weak. What's the trading plan tonight? I'm just waiting for a setup. Yeah, I'm going to trade these Apex accounts if I see something, but besides that, no setup right now for me. Hit the sell button. Waiting for some sort of reversal or something. All right, bottom of the hour here. We are just, Nasdaq is just selling off. Gap getting filled on MES. Look at that sell off. Oh yeah, you're right. Good call. Good call. Good call, buddy. That's actually pretty appealing, actually. So yeah, we have a gap. So the gap got filled on an NQ from 12/21, so December 21st, but it never filled on ES. And yeah, now it looks like it's pushing back down to possibly fill that gap at 68.95 with ES. Do I try for an ES short? I don't even know how to do it. How do I trade ES? I like that. I'll watch for an NQ. I think that NQ, I mean, if ES starts to go, I feel like NQ, I'm gonna put ES up on my other chart here, my other screen. I think you know, NQ will follow it down a bit. So I like that. Top of the gap. Nice. Thank you, Autumn 9. Red candles in the house. What's up? What's up? What's up? So getting a little bounce here on Nasdaq. Pretty strong engulfing. Now I'm nervous. Oh, let me put away this Takeprofit Trader account because I don't want to accidentally trade that again. I just hit. Did you guys notice that I fat fingered 5 minis on gold? just early on my pro account, and I lost about 300 bucks in about a second of payout money. I meant to trade 5 Apex accounts, so 1 mini each Apex account, and yeah, I was apparently on my pro account, so yeah, and I was short, so good thing I got out of it. No harm, no foul. It's still intact. It's right here for the day. But yeah, that hurt for a minute. Yeah, I was clenching a little bit. I had a little clench going on. I was like, oof, oh no. I hate that. Fine, I was looking for daily payout prop, but man, TPT is 105 for the account. Trade days up to 75. Is there any other daily payout props you like? Well, you could win one tonight, Red. Hopefully 25K. Daily. I mean, my funded futures got it too, but and then Tradeify are the only ones that I know that do daily payouts. Yep, those are the only two. But yeah, they're pretty pricey. I mean, no activation fee though. That's the trick. No activation fee. Yeah, did that once. When sucks when that happens. Yeah, absolutely. 5 minis. I know. Yeah, if you rewind the stream, you'll see I did that. All right, we got gold pushing up higher here. Nice moves on gold. I have not capitalized on any of it. Ooh, Nasdaq, man, this is tricky because this outside bar would make a good long, but with ES not taking out that gap makes me super nervous. Thanks to Autumn9 for bringing that to my attention. I'm kind of, I don't know. See, normally I'd love to take this long here. But with ES not taking that gap, it makes me nervous. I feel like this is trappy. I feel like this could be a trap. Trade day is good, yeah, Phoenix, for sure. Trade day is great. Love trade day. I think TPT is better, just because you get faster payouts, and you can take 5 accounts to live. But there's definitely nothing wrong with trade day. Nothing wrong with trade day. I do love them. My trade day, so my trade day payout took a little bit of time for it to hit. I think because I was trading the account, so. Oh yeah, you're looking to trade. You can't trade the Project X now, so yeah. Have you tried Tradeibait yet, Red? You looking short here, Turg? My New Year's resolutions is 144p. Nice. Yeah, I love it. Phoenix Insight. Yeah, 3,400 bucks last week every day. Guys, Phoenix Insight's getting those daily payouts, guys, just like myself. God. This looks like a good long here. ES is pushing up. Here's what I'm going to look for. I am going to look for the push up, reversal, and then plunge. That's what I'm going to look for. MOC, perhaps. Instead of trying to find the bottom. Normally early in the day, if I didn't see that ES, I would take this trade probably. This is one of the trades I do like. So in case you guys are new to my trading style, I trade outside bars, inside bars, and harami candles, and on the 5-minute chart. I do look for little nuanced things though, and try to overall read what's going on in the market the best I can. But my favorite setups are when we make a new low or when we make a new high. I like to look for those reversals to come back in. And so like when we sweep a low, like we did here earlier in the day, we put in this inside bar, and then I take the break of the inside bar, and then the stop would go down below. Those are some of my favorite trades. You know, this is a nice, a pretty good long setup for me. But when you're looking at that gap from December 21st and Nasdaq filled it, and you can see it's wide open sitting there. See the big open gap? I just have a feeling that ES at some point is going to push down and fill that. And it seems like it wants to try now because Nasdaq did it last night. So we'll see. Could be wrong, but if we get a good strong close on this candle here, and then I get a break of below that 495 again, I might hop in on a short, try it for the stream, even though MOC's coming up soon. And stop probably about 15 points away. All right, I'm short. 5 Apex accounts. Gonna risk right around 380. We'll see what happens. There we go. Nice little flush here. This is an intraday trailing account, so if we start to push that low, I will start to trail my stop. Like once we get, you know, over 10 points, I might start trailing it. Because with the intraday, you don't want it to come back against you too much. Now we just need to catch these longs that try to go long off this outside bar, and then we need them to start panic selling. It was almost 10 points there, and then now it's trying to get a little bounce. Woo! Maybe buyers are back. We'll see. Leave the stop right where it is. Oh, thank you, Phoenix. December 31st, close 15:50 p.m. Central Time, and then reopen at 5 p.m. Central Time. Thank you so much. ES filled 50% of the gap. Yeah, I wanted to fill the whole gap, though. The full gap. I'm in the full gaps, not half gaps. It's a family show. All right, let's get that push down. Here we go. Come on. So we're at MOC here in about 4 or 5, 6. About 7 minutes. Joe MOC. Take a look at the hourly here. Hourly looking weak. Definitely looking weak. Oh, I hate it when it does this. I hate it when it does the harami. Those always suck. Yeah, M. Brown. Hey, M. Brown, I love you, but I am not a religious guy. I am not. I'm sorry, but I mean, I'm not FSP. I'm sorry. I love all you guys though. That's for sure. That's for sure, Mr. Smith. Full clench too. Oh, I'm nothing, JR. I don't like I'm just not into any religions. I'm just not like I'm not into guys, I'm not into politics, I'm not into religions. Like I'm just like my obsessions are trading the markets, playing guitar, going outdoors, and like just like I don't know, playing video games. Yeah, I'm not into any of that stuff. Play some guitar. Yeah, I don't have my guitar with me. I'm not very good. But I got nothing against anyone's. Like my thing is like I don't have any problem with anyone's. I'm just a very neutral person, I guess. I guess that's the best way to describe it. Like I just don't get into politics. I don't get into races or religions or like I don't like if you're a nice human being, like I love you. You know, that's the thing. It's just I don't know. Sometimes I hate Nasdaq though. But this is looking okay. It's just, you know, kind of crazy. But if it's your thing, then all good. All right. 25,495. Is right back to my entry here. It's looking okay, kind of bear flagging, so I like it. We do have MOC here, so this is very risk on. We could get a little pop out of nowhere here on the MOC, especially last MOC of the season, so this will be interesting. Do we get the dump? I think I'm gonna place a take profit down here just in case we get a little whipsaw action. Maybe down below that 470. I'm gonna leave it right in place. What do you guys think? Up or down on the MOC? Okay. What do you guys think? Up or down? MOC. Get 1 minute. What's up, Lee Watt? Yeah, Mr. Smith. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I write off everything. Well, there's 10 points, guys, right there, real quick. There's 10 points. I'm going to go for a little more, though, because that ES could dump. ES looking like it's going to try to dump here, so. Down, up, down. There you go. There's 10 points. All right, I'm going to lock in 15 points there. This could continue to dump. I'm not going to lie, but we do have MOC here in about 5 seconds. You never know what's going to happen. That was a good 15 points there. And there it is. I mean, we got a little sweep down, but man, just push right back up. These intraday trailing accounts, I think ES is going to fill that gap now. There it goes. Here's the line in the sand. Now, keep in mind, Nasdaq has filled that particular gap that we were talking about on the 21st. ES has filled that 50%, like Angel said. But it looks to me like it's trying to fill that full gap here. Corey Nichols, you just did a 17 mini silver trade on Apex accounts. That's crazy. That is insane. Did it actually pay? Oh, hopefully there are 300K accounts. Silver getting the push down. Curious about this Nasdaq though. ES. Right there, trying to fill that gap. So nice little trade there. Not bad for the end of the day. We'll take that. We'll base hit this until we get these passed. So 5 accounts right now, up 4,685. And haven't been full porting them. Maybe I'm cured. I'm cured from the degeneracy. Nah, probably not. Absolutely not. Instant 5K loss, 50K. Well, that's the thing, Corey, is that I noticed with the spreads with silver sometimes, is like if I hop in one mini, if I market order in, I'm down 150 bucks instantly because of the spread. Gold can do that too sometimes, but silver tends to be really bad. NQ, is it gonna hold this low? Guys, smash that like button so much. Thank you so much for being here. A little unexpected, but I figured I'd put a little time with you guys. We'll give away an account here in just a minute. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you haven't already. I'll give you guys just like a few more minutes to get that in. Kind of watch and see if ES actually wants to fill that gap. So far, not yet. Made 5K in 2 trade day accounts and locked it out, 2,500 each. Let's go. Yeah, compounding daily payout accounts with multiple accounts is pretty sweet. You don't even have to trade very big. So like last night we were trading micros with gold and, you know, made like a couple $100. The night before that we made like $600 or $800 just trading micros. You do that with 5 TPTs, 5 trade day accounts. I mean, 3 trade day accounts that are over the buffer for, I mean, that is massive payouts, guys. Remember, $4,000 a day now seems like a lot. $4,000 a trading day is $1 million a year. So, I mean, that's pretty crazy to think. But if you have multiple accounts and you're copy trading small, that can compound, you know. So that's kind of the prop game. ES is pushing down. Nasdaq looking like it's gonna follow. Got another death candle, murder on close candle coming. Here we go, murder on close. Now ES looks like it's gonna fill that gap. Yeah, there it goes. Nasdaq swept that low. ES still pushing down. Didn't quite fill it. Not yet. But man, it is close. It is so close. What's the best way to copy trade TPT accounts? So I just use Tradeovate, the built-in copier. So I use the Tradeovate built-in copier. Now so 2026, I'm really hopeful that Takeprofit Trader, Tradeovate itself comes out with some new upgrades where they're gonna have a lockout button. From what I hear, you're gonna be able to integrate multiple prop firms on the Tradeovate as well. I'm not affiliated with Tradeovate or anything. I just trade with them. So, but this is what I've heard. So you're gonna be able to, you won't have to have multiple charts up. You can just be able to switch your prop firms from, I guess, on the same screen. So if you have multiple accounts, so if you have Apex accounts and trade day accounts on Tradeovate, I guess you're gonna be able to switch between them on the same screen, which will be awesome. And hopefully they have brackets that you can copy trade with instead of having to manually put your stops in place, and you can actually use your ATM strategies. You know, you can use Bori TRDX. This is my secret indicator strategy that I don't talk about, because if I talk about it, then everyone's gonna do it and then it won't work no more. That's a joke. Actually, Bori TRDX just popped on my Tradeovate screen one day. I have no idea who it is, what it is, or what happened. But one day I ended up signing into my account. I think I was with My Funded Futures on Tradeovate, and all my charts were different. It was someone's the whole interface was someone else's, and Bori TRDX was on here. It's apparently a $1,505 take profit and a $200 stop loss. So whoever this is has a great risk to reward trade that they're trying to do. So, but yeah. Looks like ES is pushing down. Gonna fill that gap. There it is. Filled that gap by the tick. Look at that. Now it's bouncing. Crazy, right? Thank you so much, Autumn. I think it was Autumn 9 that brought that to the attention. That was actually a good call because that's exactly what it was trying to do. Me too. That happened to you too? Had someone else's template? Yeah, Johan. Boy, TRDX is the answer. Yeah, I know. I send it in hope strategy. Is bracket trading not available when copy trading on Trade of 8? No, it's not in daily. It's you can't use the ATM strategies when you're copy trading. The only way to copy trade with Trade of 8 when you have is if you use a third-party copier like TradeSyncer, and then you just sign in. You just trade off one account, but then have all your other accounts linked through TradeSyncer or something like that. That's the only way to do it right now. So it's a pain in the ass. But, all right, Nasdaq's completely selling off. Woulda, shoulda, coulda held my trade, but, you know, it's a flip of a coin when you have MOC. You don't know what's going to happen. I mean, every trade's kind of a flip of the coin, but when the murder on close comes, it could have just ripped 300 points. I mean, I didn't know. So anyways, nice little trade. Took about 13, 14 points off that scalp. Cross those 5 accounts. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a moose race. I want to be in my own race this time. If I win, then nobody wins. All right. Closing entries. Must be present to win. All right, let's end it. Where's my moose race hat?
Oh, there we go.
Good luck, everyone. So this is for a 25K Take Profit Trader account. 25K Take Profit Trader credit. Good luck. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Who we got going on here? We got M Brown here. We got M Brown on the outside. We got Win V Trade. We got MD up here. You guys are battling it out for first place. Must be present to win. Can't be banned from Take Profit Trader as well. 10 seconds. Who's it going to be? King Sun on the outside. Who is this gonna be? Cloud Smith, 2010. Congratulations. You know, I gotta remember to shut off the music on that race because I got copywritten a strike for the Christmas giveaway for one of the snowman races. Apparently it was some Christmas song or something. So yeah, it was kind of crazy. But congratulations. I know Cloud Smith is here. Ah, there you are. Awesome. Congratulations. Let's see. All right, let's see. Real quick. Let's see, are you Mr. Cloud Smith or her or whatever? Let's see. Yeah, no activations on the free accounts with Takeprofit Trader. Pretty awesome, right? This is a Discord link. Cloud Smith, are you in the Discord by chance? If not, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to be. It's just easy for me to message you. If not, then I can just do it with email. Yeah, no problem, Cloud Smith. So either if you're on the Discord, you can message me. Are you on Discord? On my Discord? DM in Discord. Thank you. All right, we'll just do it in Discord. What's your Discord name? Is it Cloud Smith? Just so I know it's you. All right, guys, I want to wish everyone a happy new year, guys. I really appreciate the support this year. It's been amazing, right? The love and the support that I've received all year long. I am not going anywhere. I plan on being here next year too. So yeah, I mean, amazing. I got about $2,000 worth of payouts coming today, daily payouts. So it's probably about 5,000-6,000 or so this week. Pretty sweet with the daily payouts. So Takeprofit Trader, use code PINE, trade day, PINE with a capital P. And I'll see you guys next year, right? And so Tradeify also with their 50% off. That ends, I believe, Friday. So 50% off the straight to funded accounts, guys. Use code PINE for Tradeify if you'd like to help support this channel. And my funded futures, 20% off the pro accounts, and I think 20% off the rapid accounts as well. Use code PINE on my funded futures as well. And of course, Apex is 90% off. Bulanox is 90% off. So I really, really appreciate the support. And yeah, I'll see you guys next year, right? Yeah, I might hop on tomorrow night. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Did you win yet? No, not quite. Not quite. Sorry, Red. Awesome. I got your DM. I got your DM. Who won? I already forgot. Cloudsmith 2010. I got your DM. All right. I'll take care of you just as soon as I hop off stream. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I am going to hop off. Have a safe night. Don't do anything crazy. And I'll take care, right? Let's listen to these new beats. Hold on.
Tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen.
Peace, guys.
Prop firm, capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk a fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. NQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, Apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we take